Finely slice 4 potatoes into sticks about 300 grams. Finely sliced potato sticks about 300 grams. 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala. 1 Veg Maggi Cube. Half teaspoon Cumin Powder. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon Turmeric Powder. Half teaspoon Coriander Powder. 1/4 cup of corn flour. 2/3 cup of gram flour. And half cup of all-purpose flour.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Let's wash the potato sticks a couple of times to remove the excess starch. Now let's add all-purpose flour, gram flour, corn flour, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, Veg Maggi Cube, salt, and Garam Masala. Now we'll mix everything well. Add 50 ml of water and mix it well. In a pan, heat some oil for shallow frying. Now take a spoonful portion and place it gently into the hot oil. And fry till it turns golden. And Aloo Pakoda is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!